OpenAI, the company leading the AI revolution, has rapidly grown ever since they released ChatGPT in 2022. They had a valuation of $20 billion then, and now they are reaching a valuation of $157 billion. Still, everyone in the AI community is skeptical about its future. Why? Ever since the ousting of Sam Altman and the company reaching a point of collapse, people in the AI space have been wondering what happened. The meme, what did Elias lingered for quite a while, as you guys know. Then this was followed by Ilya's departure from the company, which then initiated a chain of resignation, especially from the safety and the alignment team. This finally led to the departure of the chief technical officer Mira Murati on this year September 25th, and Greg Brockman being in some kind of exile now. This original picture now feels so much empty. In a letter to OpenAI, Mira Murati said, "There's never an ideal time to step away from a place one cherishes, yet this moment feels right." The AI community wasn't satisfied with this answer and they wanted to know more. What was the exact reason she left? Turns out we now might know what could have happened. In an article, The Hollywood Reporter shared some leaks as to why Mira Murati left OpenAI. According to the article, a person who was familiar with the workings of OpenAI said this. Unlike Satscover, after the November drama, Murati decided to stay at the company in part to try to slow down Altman and President Greg Brockman acceleration efforts from within. Also, when we see the recent releases like the O1 preview model, the mini model, advanced voice mode, the company restructuring from a non-profit model to a profit model, and the launch of GPT-4o canvas and the upcoming launch of the O1 model, it shows that Mira Murati might have held these back for quite a while now due to AI safety concerns. But now that she has left, there is no one to stop Sam and Greg, and shipping new products will be accelerated. OpenAI started with the hopes of being open, safe, and different from Google, but it seems that the pursuit of profit has led them to the same traps of greed it once supposed. Will SSI, the startup from Ilyas Satscover, which is focused on safe superintelligence, be able to lead us to a safe AI future? Tell me down in the comment sections what you guys think about this, and I will catch you guys in the next one.